Good evening, my dear children. Welcome back to another episode of Vijnanavidi conducted by Goodness TV. You're all keeping fine, yes? Okay, you haven't forgotten to take your textbook and notebook, isn't it? Yes. So, my dear children, in the last class, what were we dealing with? Yes, we were dealing with a beautiful short story written by Ruskin Bond. And just tell me, what is the title of the short story? Adventures in a Banyan Tree. Yes, you are correct. My dear children, and we have just seen a boy, isn't it? Then what all things we have seen? We have just seen his friend, we have seen his hobbies, and then we have seen the fight or the attack between a cobra and a mongoose. Is it? Now, or they are just getting ready for the attack. Do you know who started the attack? No, isn't it? Are you eager to know that? Yes, right? So just come along with me. Okay, my dear children, now I'll just provide you the textbook and just read along with me together. Read the textbook. The cobra stood on the defensive, swaying slowly from side to side, trying to mesmerize the mongoose into marking a false move. But the mongoose knew the power of his opponent's glassy, unwinking eyes and refused to meet them. Instead, he fixed his gaze at a point just below the cobra's hood and opened the attack. Okay, children, now just tell me who started or who opened the attack? Yes, it was the mongoose who opened the attack. Then the attack or the fight between this mongoose and the cobra was going very severely. At that time, this cobra, he just made a clever movement. Do you know what is that? This cobra just moved from side to side like this in order to give the mongoose a false move. Then what happened, you know? This mongoose is very clever and the mongoose already knew that his opponent is very bright and clever. Then what happened? The mongoose just gave a focus to the hood of the cobra. Is the paragraph clear for you? Yes, right? And here I am giving you an unfamiliar word. Just note it down. And the unfamiliar word for you is mesmerize. See, what is the meaning of mesmerize? Capture the complete attention. What is the meaning of mesmerize? Capture the complete attention. Now, my dear ones, it's the time for comprehension. Is the notebooks with you? Yes, right? Okay, now take it and write down the question. And the question for you is, the cobra was a good fighter. Pick out one of his fighting techniques. Just imagine how did the cobra start the fight and just write it over your notebook. Okay, now what is the answer? The answer is, the cobra stood on the defensive, swaying slowly from side to side, trying to mesmerize the opponent into marking a false move. Is the answer correct? Yes, very good. If it went wrong, don't worry, we'll make correct in the next time. Okay, my dear children, we were just telling about the fight or the attack between a mongoose and a cobra. Yes. Now, let's see how this attack proceeded. Are you ready? Yes. So, I'll just give you the textbook. Let's together read it. Moving forward quickly until he was just within the cobra's reach, he made a feint to one side. Immediately, the cobra struck. His great hood came down so swiftly that I thought nothing could save the mongoose. But the little fellow jumped neatly to one side and darted in as swiftly as the cobra, biting the snake on the back and darting away again out of reach. My dear children, is it clear for you? Yes? Okay, fine. So, how did this fight proceeded? Yes, this cobra, just the cobra was moving from side to side like this, and at the time his opponent, the mongoose, was sitting straight, or it was straight near the cobra. Then what happened, you know? Immediately this cobra just gave a struck to the mongoose. At that time, the boy was just noticing this, and the boy says that he thought that this mongoose is over because it was such a deep struck which the cobra gave to the mongoose. Is it clear for you? Yes, right? Okay, now again let me give you an unfamiliar word. Just take your notebook and note it down. And the word for you is feint. What is the meaning? Just read it. A deceptive or pretended blow. What is that? A deceptive or pretended blow. Now, what is the next step? Yes, it is the comprehension part. Are you ready for the same? Yes. Now, just note down the question. And the question is, the mongoose proved that he was clever. Can you cite any instance of his cleverness? Can you just note down any instance which the mongoose proved that it is clever? Yes, you know the answer, right? And what is the answer? When the cobra rushed at the mongoose swiftly, the mongoose jumped neatly to one side and darted in as swiftly as the cobra. He gave a bite on the back of the cobra and darted away. I believe the answer for you is correct, isn't it? Okay, now we just told about the fight between the cobra and a mongoose. Yes. Now, what happened, you know? We just discussed in the last class about two different characters other than the boy sitting in the cactus plant. Who were they? Yes, of course, a jungle crow and a myna. It is a jungle crow and a myna. So, you told me that you have seen myna, isn't it? Yes, but haven't you seen a jungle crow? No, right? So, I'll just show you a jungle crow and just see whether you have been seen this before. Yes, my dear children, you have seen a jungle crow calling. Is it familiar for you? Some of you might be familiar with this, isn't it? Okay, now let's see what happened between this jungle crow and this myna, or have they taken part in this fight? Are you ready? Yes, then come along with me. Let's together read the textbook. The moment the cobra struck, the cobra and the myna hurled themselves at him, only to collide heavily in mid-air. Shrinking at each other, they returned to the cactus plant. My dear ones, have you got any idea what happened to this jungle crow and this myna? Did they take part in this fight? Yes, of course. This cobra just gave a strong struck to the mongoose. Then what happened, you know? This myna and the jungle crow just flew from the cactus and they just came to the snake. But they didn't reach the destination. What happened, you know? This jungle crow and the myna just collided in the air. They just collided in the air and they could not reach the destination. Therefore, they just flew back to the cactus plant. Now, is the paragraph clear for you? Yes, right? And here is a unfamiliar word for you. Just note it down. And the word is hurl. What is that? Hurl. And what is the meaning of that? Throw with great force. To throw with great force. Now, it's the time for, yes, comprehension. Let us now comprehend the passage. Are you ready? Yes, just take your notebooks and pen. And the question for you is, what were the reactions of the spectators when the cobra struck? What were the reactions of the spectators when the cobra struck? You know the answer, no? Just scribble it down. What is the answer? The spectators hurled themselves at the cobra, but they collided heavily in mid-air. They shrinked at each other and returned to the cactus plant. Is the answer correct? Yes. Okay, dear. Then, we have seen the participation of this myna and jungle crow. But how they succeeded? No, they just failed in their try. But did they make a second try? Let's see. Now, before that, just read the textbook along with me. A few drops of blood glistened on the cobra's back. The cobra struck again and missed. Again, the mongoose sprang aside, jumped in and bit. Again, the birds dived at the snake, bumped into each other instead, and returned shrieking to the safety of the cactus. My dear children, what happened in this paragraph? Did the myna and jungle crow made a second try? Yes, of course. What happened here? Again, the cobra just gave a struck to the mongoose but missed. At that time, again the jungle crow and myna, who were sitting in the cactus, just flew to the snake. But what happened? Again they got collided in the mid-air. So, this second attempt was also a big failure and they had to go back to the safety of cactus plant. Is it clear? Now, you are aware of the first and the second try of myna and the jungle crow, isn't it? Okay, now let me give you the comprehension question. Okay, my dear children, there is an unfamiliar word for you in this paragraph. Are you eagerly waiting for that? Yes, isn't it? And the word for you is glistened. What is the meaning of that? Shine with a sparkling light. What is that? Shine with a sparkling light. Okay, my dear children. Now, it's a time for, yes, comprehension. Are you ready for the same with your notebooks? Okay, so let's move to the question. And what is the question for you? What happened to the birds when the cobra struck again? What happened to the birds when the cobra struck again? Do you know the answer? I know you know the answer. Just write down. And the answer for you is, the birds dived at the snake, bumped into each other instead, and returned shrieking to the safety of the cactus. It's very simple, right? Okay, fine. So, we have done with this paragraph. Now, this jungle crow and the myna took how many attempts? Yes, they took 2 attempts to participate in this fight. But what happened? Both of them was a big failure. Now, will they make the third attempt? Let us wait and see. For that, we have to read the paragraph first. So, just join with me. Are you ready? Okay, so come. The third round followed the same course as the first, but with one dramatic difference. The crow and the myna, still determined to take part in the proceedings, dived at the cobra, but this time they missed each other as well as their mark. The myna flew on and reached a perch, but the crow tried to pull up in mid-air and then turned back. In the second that it took him to do this, the cobra whipped his head back and struck with great force, his snout thudding against the crow's body. I saw the bird flung nearly 20 feet across the garden, where, after fluttering about for a while, it lay still. The myna remained on the cactus plant, very wisely refrained from interfering again. Okay, my dear children, is the paragraph clear for you? What happened in the third try? Or did this myna and the jungle crow took a third try? Yes, of course, right? The cobra and the mongoose just fighting each other, and that time the jungle crow and the myna just flew to that position the third time. It was the third time, and this time they got succeeded. How? Yes, the cobra just gave a struck to the mongoose, and this myna and the jungle crow just came flying. When immediately the cobra saw this jungle crow, the cobra just gave a struck to this jungle crow. What happened, this jungle crow just flew and fall 20 feet apart. Then what happened to the myna? The myna was very wise. The myna just flew back to the cactus plant when it saw this. The myna thought that if it go near the cobra would strike this myna also. So, does they got succeeded in this attempt? Yes. Okay, fine, the paragraph is clear for you, isn't it? Okay. Now, it's the time for the comprehension section. Are you ready for the same? And the section or the question is, how did the crow push itself into the trouble? How did the crow push itself into trouble? The answer is very simple, isn't it? So, just write down. What is the answer? The crow, while trying to pull up itself in mid-air and turn back, was struck by the cobra. The crow was struck by the cobra. Okay, children, now you have seen the passage. Was it clear for you? Yes, right? And how many try did this jungle crow and myna took? Yes, they took 3 efforts or try to take part in the fight. This is clear for you, isn't it? Okay, but my dear ones, are you eager to know the climax of this fight? Do you know who got won in this fight? Let us see. But before that, come along with me to read the passage. The cobra was weakening, and the mongoose walked fearlessly up to it, raised himself on the short legs, and with lightning snap had the big snake by the snout. The cobra withered and lashed about in a frightening manner, and even coiled itself about the mongoose, but all to no avail. The little fellow hung grimly on until the snake had ceased to struggle. He then smelled along a squaring length and gripping it round the hood, dragging it into the bushes. The myna dropped cautiously to the ground, hopped about, peered into the bushes from a safe distance, and then with a shrill cry of congratulations flew away. My dear children, who got won? Who got won in the battle? Did you understand? Yes, the cobra got very tired, but still the cobra was trying to just defeat the mongoose. Then what happened? Let us see that.
Was dead before the big man blew him up. I killed Nag. Come fight with me, Nagaina.
all over. So, who won the battle? Yes, it is a mongoose won the battle. We have said that the cobra tried its maximum to get succeeded in the battle, but it was not able to sustain. This cobra just tried to coil on the back of this mongoose, but then also this mongoose defeated the cobra, and finally the mongoose just gave a bite to the hood of this cobra and just dragged it to the bushes. And watching all this, somebody was sitting on the cactus plant. Who was that? Yes, it is a myna. This myna was very happy since it saw the ending part of this battle. Then what happened, this myna just flew and rested in the position, and it just made a look, or it just peered into the bushes so that it could see the final part of the battle, and it could make sure that the mongoose has defeated the cobra. Then what happened, this myna was very happy and it just gave a word of congratulation and flew away. Now, this is about the battle. Yes, now you have understood about the passage and about the fight, isn't it? Now, here is an unfamiliar word for you. Just note it down. And the new word for you is rithe. What is the meaning of that? Make twisting of the body. Yes, it is clear for you, is it? And now it's a time for the comprehension section. Are you ready for the question? Yes, so just come along with me and just write down in your notebook. And the question for you is, who won the battle? What made the myna peer into the bushes? The answer is very simple, right? Who won the battle? It's the mongoose won the battle. The myna peered into the bushes in order to make sure about the death of the cobra. So, is it clear for you? Okay. Now, we shall see what happened to the boy later. Will he get down from the platform or not? Are you ready for that? Yes, but not today, in the next class. But my dear ones, don't go. Here is the activity for you. The activity for you today is a narration. The boy was thrilled at seeing the fight between the cobra and the mongoose. You may also have the same feeling. Narrate the fight scene in your own words. What you have to do? You just imagine that you are the boy. You just saw the fight between the cobra and the mongoose. Just narrate what you saw, or just write down your feelings. Is that clear? Yes. So, just perform the activity and just send it to your English teacher. Hope this was very interesting. You enjoyed the fight between the cobra and the mongoose, isn't it? Yes. So, today I am just winding up the class. You just perform the activity which I have given you and just send it to your English teacher. And this class is available on the YouTube channel of Goodness TV. Stay watching, keep learning. Thank you.